In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order on eBay. Whether you've had a change of heart or simply made the wrong choice, canceling an order on eBay can be a straightforward process if you know where to look. Let's dive into the steps to ensure you navigate the process smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and type eBay into the search bar. Once you've done that, you'll see a list of search results. Click on the first result, which will take you directly to eBay's homepage. This is where you'll start the journey to managing your order. Once on the homepage, you'll need to sign into your account. Look towards the upper left of the screen where you'll see the sign in button. Go ahead and click it. You may already have your credentials saved, but if not, enter your email and password to log into your account. If you've forgotten your password, there are straightforward steps on the site for recovering it, ensuring you can gain access without too much hassle. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right section of the screen. There, you'll see My eBay. This section holds much of your personal purchasing and selling history. Click on the arrow beside My eBay to unveil a drop-down menu. From the choices presented, select Purchase History. This area records all your recent transactions, giving you an overview of your buying activity and letting you manage your orders efficiently. Within your purchase history, scroll through the list to locate the order you wish to cancel. Remember, timing is important when canceling an order. Aim to do this as soon as possible after realizing the need to cancel. Once you've identified your order, look for the More Actions button associated with that item. Click on it to reveal more options. In the list of options, you'll see Cancel Order. Go ahead and click it. eBay may ask for a reason for the cancellation, so be prepared to provide a concise and clear explanation, whether it's because you made a mistake in the order or found a better deal. Providing this information helps keep the communication transparent with the seller. After selecting the cancel order option, a submit button will appear. Click on submit to finalize your request. Once you hit submit, the cancellation request will be sent to the seller. Note that your order isn't officially canceled until the seller confirms the request, so you might need to wait for their confirmation. Remember, canceling an order on eBay is subject to the seller's approval. If the seller has already processed the order, they might decline the cancellation. In such cases, you might consider reaching out to the seller directly for further assistance or arranging a return once the item arrives. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to canceling an order on eBay. With these instructions, you should be able to navigate the process with ease. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful guides.